I'm Stuti Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest updates. Defence Ministry inked a 1,350 rupees crore contract with Mahindra Defence System Limited to manufacture 14 integrated anti-submarine warfare defence suits for frontline warship of the Navy. MDS was selected for the contract through an open tender that saw comprehensive testing. SP Shukla, MD Chairman, said it is a major contract with the private sector meant for underwater detection and protection for threats. Coromandel International Limited recently inaugurates a new North Division office. Coromandel International Limited, India's second largest phosphatic fertilizer player, is in the business segment of fertilizer specialty, nutrients, crop protection and retail. The company manufactures a wide range of fertilizers and markets around 4.5 million tons, making it a leader in its addressable markets. Consulate General of Israel to South India collaborates with United Planters Association of Southern India, Jan Irrigation System and Nandan Jan Irrigation for the launch of a smart IoT irrigation project in tea plantation Uti, Tamil Nadu. Smart IoT irrigation is an innovative Israeli technique that uses water judiciously and helps farmers achieve higher level of crop yield with a minimal amount of water. Jonathan Jadka, Consul General of Israel to South India, said, "This is an exciting day in which, together with our partners, we are able to introduce an IoT-based drip irrigation system in tea plantation." AG Matrix has signed an MOU with MKY to bridge gap between the industry and academia. The MOU with AG Matrix was signed by Dr. Ashok, Dean of MKV. AG Matrix is a social enterprise from Pune with an aim to promote livelihoods and prosperity through skill-based training programs and placement service in agriculture sector across India. S. Savai Ram, Director of AG Matrix, said these capabilities building and skilling program prepare the agriculture students to embrace technology and innovation solution, which in turn will enable them for better career opportunities in agribusiness and agripreneurship. International Conference on Agricultural and Biological Science will be organized by the Future Association on 2nd and 3rd September 2021 in virtual format. The key intention of this conference is to provide an opportunity for the global participants to share their ideas and experience in person with their peers expected to join from different parts of the world. Pusa Decomposer, a bioenzyme developed by Indian Agriculture Research Institute to decompose crop residue, over 25,000 farmers in Punjab and Haryana have enrolled with the company to use Decomposer for their paddy stubble during the post-harvest period in October to November. Stubble burning episodes every year contribute to deterioration of air quality in Delhi NCR and adjoining areas. Such episodes are mostly reported from Punjab and Haryana, where farmers resort to the method to quickly prepare their farms for sowing wheat. Northeast Frontier Railway CPRO Guneet Kaur stated Indian Railway have taken a number of efforts to aid parcel service for farmers and small business owners for providing a subsidy for transportation via the Kisan Rail train and give discount on bulk parcel space booking in advance. Operation Green's Top to Total initiative provides a 50% freight rate discount for the shipment of fruits and vegetables. For more updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.